Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yes, you seen me right. Me in out of blonde and the 613 color, and I decided that I wanted to do this look today because you know what? They say blondes have more fun. Let's see if that is the truth. Anyways, I decided to go with this short bob cut. I like how it's short in the back, and I did do some tweaking to it because when you do these units you have to make sure that you tweak it to your own, you know, your face and the structure of your face and, you know, things of that nature. So yeah, this is the start of a new week. If you're new here, remember to like, subscribe, and to share, and tell a friend about M&H Makeup and More. Guys, I'm not stop doing the vlogs, whether it's shopping, whether it's grocery haul, whatever it may be. The vlogs are gonna be dropping. All right, and if you like my different looks and the different hairstyles that I rock from time to time, please comment in the comment section, guys. I need more interaction in the comment section. If it's even one comment, just put blonde or put, you know, something about my hair, something about something that you saw in the video. Just interact, because I think that is what my videos are lacking, and so I'm not able to grow as much because of not having the comment section and the interaction. People are just watching, but they're not even pressing the like button. They're not even, you know, commenting and, you know, interacting. So the channel needs that more watch time. It needs more interaction, and I'm asking you guys to do that. Don't be afraid to do it because I don't buy it. So anyways, homegirl is gonna leave out now, because if I don't, that stoplight let you stay there for at least 4 minutes, and me not like that. So I'm gonna head out now and see you guys later. Guys, it's lunchtime and I'm heading to the break room to have lunch. I brought my lunch, so I am not sure as to how much. I said I wanted to take just half an hour today. I think I'm still gonna take half an hour, because if I do take it, then at least I'm guaranteed my 40 hours, you know what I mean? And my aim is to always make my 40, not ODing too much, but just to make my 40 right about there. So yeah, because they don't like to let us out like 8:15 or later. They try to let us out early, especially if it's slow, so you tend to lose hours anyways. So yeah, this is how a girly I look like. Them say blonde have more fun, so I decided to be a blonde today. All right, so yeah, we're gonna go have a little lunch and rest with foot a little bit. So up, and it's half day, and heading to Walmart because you wanna see me in a beanie. Cold weather is coming, and I need gas, but I'm not getting no gas now. Just I head for get the soap. Softland, I'm saying let's pick up 3 patty. Yeah, I said to pick up 3 patty because the weather, yeah. I don't want to cook. I'm tired. I don't have to get up and cook nothing, but I don't know if. Yeah, because I have the sandwich them. I want to eat them the half spicy chicken sandwich. So just I get up, I did have a really bad headache. For these days, you know, sometimes when I find myself have like bad dreams, it give me a headache. But we're headed to Walmart and beat the school bus time, and the traffic right there so is really bad. I like you know, it's good here because some people don't want to wait. You know, hear me talk about this all the time, but it's not good because you stay there too long. You know, I mean, I don't think you should stay at that stoplight for more than 2 minutes at a time, but you stay there for 5 minutes or more. We're head down to Walmart, guys. I don't know about nobody else. I don't like go road and have on a watch. Yeah, I have my ID them and everything with me. These days you know you have to have your ID because they might profile you. When I tell you, oh yes I know with the peak hours, traffic would have wall you. Yeah, go off of that choke here. And see, we have to stay at the light now till the light change. You hear the engine sound different, guys, because it's cold. And trust me, even though it's 62 degrees now, it's gonna get worse as it go down to the weekend them. So that's why I mean I go out there on the weekend. Me just get what we need to get here so and just get it out the way. But yeah, in Florida I have to dress like up north, but at winter so we know say this is what winter bring. I'm gonna eat nothing from morning, I'm gonna break my fast yet, and I soon 2 o'clock. So I don't know if people will not go back. I don't know what I will do. We could do Alfredo, chicken Alfredo. Or I don't know if it's too late now to take out the chicken and do some curry chicken and rice. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, guys. Depends on the mood. We eat too much rice throughout the week, so that's why I say we could have just do the sandwich tonight. And that I'm gonna do, the sandwich. We could do the sandwich kind of bread today. We could do the sandwich, right? Do the sandwich. Yeah, right, do the sandwich. But if we try it, I'm gonna do it. So soon, guys, in a Walmart. Guys, I'm here at Walmart, and as I'm telling you, I come to soap and a personal care item, and that's what I'm about to get because I intend to stay long, and I don't know why I'm stopped this so and I look, but I don't depend where I depend, you know. So when I have my papers I work with, so I don't really care. So yeah, I enter through the pharmacy section because I really did someone want to come to get my stuff them. And we're gonna get a cat just because see, now I did I go get trouble already. I mean dry, you know. So after cat a little bit more low, so I'm gonna get the cat because I need it to use. Oh, it's so close, I must get for a lunch break. So we need to go around at the personal care section and get what we need, feminine care towards the back. Excuse me. Yeah, so hope to them have it because that's one of the things that when we come for, that was a need. That cat and I run so good. I don't know why. But hopefully I'll see. It's a pregnancy test. Definitely. Go see. Then have what we need. And it don't look like them have what I need, guys. Okay, yes. Always use it. It's expensive, man. The one you have the 3 pack. It's expensive. Look on the day. Yes, no. But it's so dear. But we need it. Okay, we need it, sir. you want, and just come and just get it. You need a pack of cotton as well. Since we're right here, so just have to cotton them there. Let's see, wipes. Let's see the cotton them, guys. Let's see the cotton them. Channel? I just see something in there now. Let's see, that's how they say. This is the roll for the $1, but let's see it. The cotton. Let's sit down here, so yeah, see cotton down here, so. So I think you have to take the bike. Just them alone. Okay, one is $1. None of them know for $1. Here, $3. Equate that for $1. $3 too. Take the $2 one, guys, and that's it for me. So then now we're gonna go and get the, see them always do the wipes, Summer's Eve wipes, but now the cheaper one, liquid wipes. I know how much this thing go over budget, you know, guys. Come to that and stick to the plan. Okay, so we're gonna go now and get with Southland soap. Okay, cause this me did I use all along, and it was $1. We see how much of them here compared to that. You understand? That's what I have to do now, guys. Because I stick to when I come from. So, could go now down to the soap and the Southland and the patties. Okay? I'll show you where you look. Okay, so see, Valentine out here. See them have stuff. Valentine, guys. Valentine's ready. So, see them? All the bears. Be my Valentine. Look, this one says, this one is just pure flowers and everything. Yeah, and the pink one is nice too. So when you did young and in love, them have the cards and everything. So yeah, I stick to that. We know we did talk. And see, cold times are here, hoodie and stuff out now, guys. So we head down to the Southland section. As long as we don't video nobody. You have jewelry and everything, guys, if you want to find jewelry. But we don't trust them places with the jewelry them, because we buy jewelry already from Sam's, and it was wedding anniversary, and then mine not turn, but Obi won't turn for it, so see, and that time for spring now, you can see the swimsuit is coming up. I'm rushing on a body. Yeah. So we are head for the vinegar. I see the vinegar there in here. Let's take it up here, guys. We didn't need a vinegar to wash meat because the vinegar down here. But head down, get the soap thing and several times soap, tissue, hot towel. I think we're done near the soap now. Alright, the soap's on now. Look like my soap is in the wrong. down in a I'll come down in a yeah, and then the soap aisle is in the next aisle to the soap. Okay, then we have soft land. Yeah, quiet. I didn't know the people there at school and work. Okay, here we go. We have bleach and everything already. So, guys. And this we always use the Jenko 150 in a that, and this you get how much? 105 in that one there. Also, why go buy that one? $8 for this, $8 for that. 150 loads in a this. Hold on, guys. So I'm putting the right stuff in now. Hold on. Which is thinner. And that's 105. What do you get? You get 150 loads. Okay. And then for the same thing, I put it in there. I put it in brand, the Walmart brand. It didn't have the Walmart brand soap. That could be good. But the soap will always get $12 feet. Always the one $192. This one I always get, guys. Soap here. And then we say we have a look for the patty them. So I should go back and check out the next soft land just because I have to compare the price. But maybe I'll check out. So any one of them were less expensive. That's the one we're getting. Yeah. So I'm fine. If it look good. Anyone which you buy, yeah, I'll get, guys. So I could go down now for the patty them. If you find the patty them. Hopefully we have the patties, and that's all we need as we're getting out of here. Just walk on to see ice cream, frozen food. Look for the patties. See those patties? Yeah, banana. Sleepati we are go home drive. No said always there on other part too. Look around there again. One more look. See it. Okay, this part of the find it. That's okay. And so see, we find the patties them. Get the patties them and out. That's all we need, guys. And we are out of here. I think we have enough. I think we have enough. Bread is the thing. Only thing that I like to get are the what's called more lettuce So I'm gonna go to the vegetable section and see. So this answer. Just like to see what's new. What's new in the place. See. Boundaries, I like boundaries too. Boundaries now. Guys, let's not how long I look up in a top. But see this? I bought a yellow, I don't know if you remember when we did go Old Navy, and I bought the yellow sweatpants. I like the suits, guys. I don't know if this yellow will match it. Yeah, and I think that yellow yeah will match it. Yeah, no, not. See, that's why I don't like come out. But this shirt. We never have it in the black, and it fits really, really good. I have to take it in a small. So I found it in the black, and then look at this. I have enough black sweatpants. I just this me upon the pan. This I don't fit. Gonna try it on right here. Right, that's how we'll try this on. Too big, I ain't getting it. But it's the last one on the thing. Yeah, see? Good fit, guys. Yeah, and I think it's gonna match. It's $13. Thin, not as thick as the other one over there, so but it's okay because you can still wear it. Look like a suit. But what if the Old Navy one cheaper? I'm gonna plan for Old Navy anyways. You know what I mean? I'm gonna plan to go Old Navy, but if it's the blue, so this is the only one. It's $13 for it. So it's only for $13. This one, I think I will leave this just because I know that I have brown shirts that is already salmon with. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that just because I already have this shirt. Yeah. Just because I already have a shirt, girl. But I'm not leaving this black shirt because I never have any black in it. This one I'm not so sure of, so we're gonna have that here. That's why I'm gonna like combing on and make you comb and make you comb. And make you comb, and when you comb, yeah, do the grocery shopping and yeah, do this same time. Try to remember if I have a black shorts. Look at this one. Yeah. Red and black. Tights. And I found all of them. Red and black. Do I have a... Am I gonna wear this? Like Valentine's Day, I just want this a Saturday. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this. Like honestly, I really don't know. No. It's unusual though for $5. $5. And this is 7. Because I remember having a black shorts. No, I don't have a black shorts. So these are gonna have to go on credit card. That I didn't want to do, but they're going anyways. Okay. The bungee stuff them really nice, and them are good quality too. Anyways, this is why I'm gonna come a Walmart sometimes. See another bungee again. I'm just gonna come for just one like a something, and I end up with different. No. Yeah. But yeah, that's that. I'm heading out of here now. Didn't want to see if me get the let me say me want crackers now, like crackers. Huh? Alright, deviation. Okay, right this leaving my crackers. Oh, sorry. Let's do these crackers. And put crackers on front shelf. No way. Alright, here's the crackers here, so I think that's it for me. Yeah. And the lettuce. Let's look for Mr. Lettuce. Ay. Like, seriously? Excuse me?
Oh, sorry. Sometimes
That's okay.
just trying to get out of here.
Alright, so I'm gonna see the lettuce, guys. So, let's see them have my lettuce. So, I always buy them all this. I put on the cake. Okay. Alright. See if you saw the same $2. So much is this? Okay. Oh no, not this. Look at this there. Oh, the little one in here too. Oh, the little one. One big one. Looking for these aren't too little. The regular lettuce leaves, like the big ones.
Lettuce or?
Yeah, what are these?
Yeah, these are lettuce. But do you want it like in a form like this, or do you want it in a plastic container? How do you want
The
it?
plastic container, but I don't want the little leaves. I want
Oh,
the big
you just
ones.
want regular? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we don't have the regular lettuce like
yes, it's the little ones. Okay, I'll get it at Aldi's.
that. Say something. You should say Aldi.
Yes, I'll get it there. They have it there, and it's
Okay,
fresh.
I never go to Aldi, so that's okay.
That's okay. Someone has to go there. Righty, he never go Aldi's. Yeah. You don't have to go Aldi's. Get it there, so. And then have it there. Okay? man say, oh, did you just say Aldi's? I say, yeah, me say Aldi's. Because everything you sell yourself. Really don't know who not wrong with. Then you used to have the donut there. I like to see donut out. You say Aldi's and the man say, you really just say Aldi's and Quinch. Like, really? Why are Quinch? So guys, we're there cashier now. I could cash out the things then. So I'm going to pay this first bill, which is $60. It's not a credit. No. So I have $20 left back on that. $38 on myself. Now they're selling them this. So, now work. I'm gonna spend something on myself. Sorry. Guys, we're done and out of here. I have my two receipt them. I want them to stop me. Because you see, and then I'm not playing with nobody. I like record myself. So for them to say yeah, recording on them, you know, say them not even bother play with you. Now them your time, yeah, we not play with nobody.
You guys get out first. I kid you not.
Yes, so I make sure do what I need to do, guys. I buy the things that I need, but and every time I say to them, I come not ever treat myself like you're small, and not stuff I need. That's why I name treats. Understand? That's why it's called the word treats. So I don't know. I don't eat. I don't eat from morning. And try to remember when I back. Guys, when I come in, I dey up, down, under this. Okay. Under this. Far down. Yeah, guys, so we go in, get what we need, and we head home. So when we reach home, guys, we will come back to you or in the car. Can do a car like all. And get out, guys. You stop coming now. Because me there try and something in a Walmart. And I tell you now already, see, I don't care what in a life. I don't care how small, guys. I don't treat yourself to something. We don't work. Don't go and practice, you know. Treat on yourself and no work. So I'm just gonna show you where I find a cute little tights here. For Valentine's, I can wear it with one dress. I have a half a dress when if I go work Valentine's Day at work. Even if I not work Valentine's Day, I put it on. And I find a basic black shorts. Because I have this in a brown, grey. And the other color them, I just never did have it in a black. And let me tell you something, this is the Walmart brand, no boundaries, and it's really nice. At $7 for the shorts, right? So it's not cheap. And this, I never have it in a black. I did always want it in a black because it's so nice. You can dress it up and you can dress it down. And this, I pay what? I think a $7 a while ago too, you know. On it as well. So make sure you put my receipt them. Yeah, see it here. So you're supposed to have it on. Yeah, $7, $5, $8 for the shirt. And the dearest something I buy for myself was that sweater here, which is yellow, right? Because I can wear it with my pants, okay? With my joggers pants and my the purchase. So it have the hanger, which are the greatest thing already. The storage pan. I'm glad for them give the hanger them. You can store it. The only thing never have my hanger was the black shirt. And it's okay. It is okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take a extra small because them fit sort of big. I'm gonna just put it with the black. Here, so I'm gonna drop. Okay, drop right there. Ow! Drop right there, so. And this other hanger for that, and this other hanger too. Let me look at tight. Valentine's tight. Now feel guilty, my love. Work hard and you see your work and you can't buy nothing for yourself. That make no sense. Yeah. So the total for what I spent on myself was $38, I think. That's what the receipt I've on. Let's see. $38. Yeah. $38. It's spent for ourselves. Yeah, I'm gonna have to feel no way. Buy what we need and go back in to get the party them or something. So we're gonna head out, go back home, and I'm gonna stop at Dunkin' because Sonny boy I go ask me and he must sleep now. So let me check the camera too before I go because I don't want to buy it and then him go out there already and buy. Alright. It is what, Thursday? And it's laundry day. I promised you guys I was gonna do laundry today. And I got up early and started to do it. For me, I like to, when I do my laundry, I like to put them away at the same time, organize them in different categories, and that's what I am doing. That's what I'm doing. Get up early, and yeah, under my eyes here is so dark. I don't know why. It's so dark, but in outside, so I'm covered on my head, guys. It is cold. Like outside is really cold, and it's gonna get even colder as the weekend progresses. So I just took out the meat out of the fridge and I'm gonna season for Sunday, and also season for later. I think I want to do some curry chicken and rice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that, some curry chicken and white rice for dinner. So yeah, this is me just doing laundry, and the rest of it is in the dryer, all the whites and the little PJs and stuff that's left to be done. And my uncle called me and woke me up so early after 7 and said, oh, I need to get up because he's in town and he's gonna come and look for me. So yeah, I ain't going anywhere, and I'm just gonna keep my hat on because I don't feel like put on a wig, none of them something there. So this is it for me, just chilling and just being here at home. So hey guys, what's up? So I am home, and you might be wondering like, oh, why are you in bed? I'm like, okay, yeah, outside is pretty cold. There is nothing to do, and we're preparing for a storm, winter storm that is heading our way. And so, yeah, I bought up these beanies thanks to one of my friends, you know, that told me, hey, they went down, they marked down the price and whatever. So yeah, I bought 3 of them, and Sonny Boy took one, and I think this one was girly. This one was more of a girl type one. So yeah, I bought this one for me, and Sonny Boy has his own in a thicker one. And I bought a gray as well, though this one is black with the white. I should have bought the other color, but I don't need to buy more than one. But yeah, there's nothing to do. I'm supposed to, oh yeah, my letter is over there. I'm supposed to service my car tomorrow. Hopefully I will be able to do it because it's gonna be super cold. They said the place is open really early, and I know that they might not want to do mine just because it's a complimentary service that I'm getting, and all I want them to do really is to just change the oil and filter, and that is it. I don't want them to rotate no tires, no nothing, because the last time they did all of that, they made my car was making a really bad sound. So yeah, I'm not gonna allow them to do that. But yeah, broke my fast already, and I did curry chicken and rice yesterday. I never ever take up the camera, guys, because you know what, being home on this vacation is just giving me time to reflect and to really connect more with God. And God, even my devotion this morning, he was relating and giving an example of an ant, I should say, and more than one ant is ants. How they operate, they might move slow, but they are accurate, and it takes time. And so that was a reminder to me of life too, you know what I mean? Go and move like an ant, you know, and don't be sluggish, you know. Basically you're saying don't be sluggish, but you know, time is the master, and everything is gonna happen in due time. So yeah, I'll check back in with you definitely when the storm should come. We should get a freeze snowstorm. Like hopefully we don't get snow. Hopefully we get that would be crazy to get snow here. But yeah, I'm just here chilling at home, and I'm just gonna try to get some rest and just ease my mind. Boy, you know, when you eat the big food, I mean, I normally eat so much heavy food so early in the morning. So it was rice and chicken and tea. So I didn't even take up the camera yesterday. Honestly, I had a visitor. My uncle came from Canada and visited me, and we were just chilling and just chatting and having a good time, you know, just catching up on life. And he was giving me, you know, encouraging words and, you know, things like that, and just telling me to keep the faith and keep trusting. So yeah, changing my sheet. I told Obi that, listen, we're putting black sheet on the bed because it's about to get cold, and if we use lighter sheets, like lighter color sheets, we're gonna be colder. So I decided to put the black sheet on with the comforter on, so we should be warm. So that's the trick. If you put lighter color sheets on, you're not gonna be hot, you know, you're gonna be cold. But if you put darker sheets on, it draws heat. So yeah, that was the whole thing behind me honestly putting the black sheet on, and I took the white one off. So yeah, this is me in the Friday. It's the first time I have not say, okay, let me go out and just stroll and go look, and no, bills have to pay. And when you're over here, you have to make sure so you prioritize and pay your bills first, because if you don't, you catch yourself in a big problems. And you have to learn how to be content. And you know, this TikTok, I saw this girl, and she's like, she was born in America but raised in Jamaica, and she was raised with her grandparents, and she knew what it was like to be contented and to not have certain things, and to satisfied with what you have. So she said she don't understand when you come off America now, you feel like if you have the latest phone, if you have the latest car, the latest clothes and shoes with in and the most expensive, where you can't have the same mindset and the same, you know, mindset and frame of mind for say, you know what, live within your means and just learn to satisfy. You understand? So me take that and know, so listen, I not live like scrimmage, but at the end of the day, when I look on everything when I have, like, and me guys, when I go out and shop, you wanna see how me shop already. Me shop on a budget and me shop on deals, but still finding good brands, and I try my best to still stay grounded, you know what I mean? And anything that I spend, I must be able to, in my mind, eventually be able to pay it back, you know? So yeah, and I like to pay my bills and pay them in full, and from me food, me good, because that's how I was raised. My mama raised me to satisfied with what I have, be contented with what I have. When I grow up and I go with going to school with one school bag last me for the year, one school shoes last me for the year. Sometimes I have guess a girl come to school and them change them shoes, and every minute them I change shoes, 2 and 3 shoes, and yeah, when I tie them teeth out of my bag, choke my book them on the ground, and me have to go with my book them in my hand, and then me go home with, and never have no more school bag. Mommy could buy no more bag. Grandmother did have one messenger looking strip up bag and hit me where I go to school, guys. And all when the people them a trouble me, me make sure I tell them, so listen, you think me come to school for that? But you know, it teach your values in a life, and know, say listen, be contented with the little way you do have. You understand that? That's what me learn from this whole thing. Just be contented with what you have. Alright, so you come back to know when the time cooler. Them said tomorrow to Sunday, starting tomorrow night, honestly. Them said tomorrow night into Sunday, Monday. That whole week was supposed to under really, really, really cold weather. Tomorrow when I try to service my vehicle, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to see if I can get some gloves, because I don't have no gloves to put on my hand, and I have to go drive go work. So now I'm on them, I get cold, and them say on the news say to cover your head, your face and your hands. From them place they cover your throat, you're good. You won't have to catch up no cold or nothing. Alright, so hi. See you know sooner tomorrow when we have a service the vehicle. Alright guys, came to get the oil filter and thing change at the battery place, but they said they're fully booked out for today, so I'm just gonna go back home and I'm gonna go get gas. Alright guys, so I made a stop at Dunkin', and I thought the drive-thru would be better, but coming inside as well is so packed. But I know that when I go inside, I'm not coming back out for the rest of the afternoon, so this is why I'm here now. But yeah, better me stand in a line and wait in here packed. Everybody's talking and everything, so yeah, but just most of them now come out for the rest of the afternoon, so that's why I'm here now. So we got the donuts then. Battery about to die, I'm going to never charge all night. I don't know. Alright, so see you guys later. I am home back, and can you believe I'm in the house? But it's getting chilly, so I'm still wearing my sweater, my hoodie that I wore when I got up earlier on to go service the car, and I don't know where this pimple came from. All of a sudden came up on my face right there, and yeah, I just bracing myself for the storm. I can feel it. Oh, it's cold already. We don't turn on the heat because we need to tell obviously if we carry up the heater when him come from downstairs, a portable one for warm up the place, so we don't feel too cold. Right, so I go call him now because him gone at the mailbox and remind him to carry up the heat. It's a big now, dinner time. So after this, I just have to get a shower and then just go and chill. Have the meat in the so you can defrost, because we decide to chicken tomorrow. And yeah, and drink some bread for my tea. Ready. Drink some hot chocolate. And just chill out. Really cold, guys, and not even come to the real cold point yet. Don't mind me having this in the house because I'm here now. Situate right. When people come up right, I don't know whether I feel like it or not. But yeah. Wait for my water for boil up now and finish eating the food. God, so I did have some lettuce and something can eat with the chicken. And we are set out to see. Hopefully we get little snowflakes. We can show if we get little snowflakes, guys. I'm up and in the kitchen cooking, as you would imagine. It's Sunday and we're doing cooking. I already have some fried already and have some bumbo rice and cheese on the stove. Get up early and sit here and cook because at the end of the day, I want to stay in the kitchen later. I have on my robe, but I have on clothes because in the old school, turn on the heater, but you know the heater tends to dry out, you know, so I now make it stay on and run all day. Alright, so I'm just in my robe and still a cook. Guys, we are gonna end this week's vlog. Yes, we didn't do much because of the weather. It is cold and I decided that I am not gonna go outside unless it is absolutely necessary. And you'd have seen where I got up this morning, cooked, finished cook, got a little 5 as we would call it, and did my hair. And as you can see, I'm in my bonnet, and the unit that I wore and I choose to wear this week is my braided unit because it is cold and I'm not wetting up my hair. Even if I wash a unit right now, it's not gonna dry, you know, things like that. So this is why I decided that I'm gonna wear my braided unit this week because it's gonna be cold. Right, so guys, if you are here, there, or anywhere, remember to like, subscribe, and share, and tell a friend about M&H Makeup and More, guys. This whole week though has taught me so much. I've gotten a chance to reflect and just to gather my thoughts and just to remember that as one of my daily devotions I read, and it was talking about us being more like of an ant or ants. You know, when ants are going for their food, what do they do and how do they travel? And it might take long for an ants or ants to get to their destination, but with unity and with patience they will get there and they secure their food for months and months and months. So you know, you may be praying for something and you may be saying, oh my God, I keep praying for this over and over and over again and nothing is happening. You have to believe, you have to remember that God has not forgotten about you. God has not taken his hands off of you, and so just be patient and know that he is gonna come through, not on our time, not on your time, but on his timing. And so everything in life also happens and happens for a reason. And you know, sometimes you might say you have a delay, but remember the delay is for something greater. And when it comes, you're going to be like, oh my God, this is the real reason why I had to wait for so long, or this is the reason I did not get this or I did not get that, because God had that in store for me, which was greater. So remember guys, like, subscribe, and share, and tell a friend about M&H Makeup and More, and stay warm. Do not let this sun trick you. Florida is like trying to fight and say, where you think you go with this type of weather? Yeah. But even though the sun might be out, it is pretty cold. Secure your head, secure your throat, secure your hands. And if the wind is blowing where you have to be out there for a period of time, cover your face as well. Stay blessed and see you guys in the next one. Bye.